Hoarder house. This is a segment just to show you the bad condition of the bathroom, the toilet, the floor, the sink. All this dirt was really stuck into the surface, and it was even hard for us to remove it with the steam. That's the reason why I still using the steam with the brush. So the brush gives me the actual bristles to remove all the heavy soil in stock of the surface. I remember doing this house in Winter Haven. This tenant have a lot of cats, and he was a hoarder. Before us cleaning all the house, a company came and picked up all the trash, so the house was almost empty. And we have to clean and sanitize the floor, the bathroom, the walls. The tenant wants to sanitize all the surface, and he requests specifically to use our commercial vapor steamer. We have plenty of experience. Do your research before calling us. 407-572-4118. How can you do your research? Just go to bbb.org and look for any house cleaning. Look for companies that have license, experience, equipment. We have plenty of videos on YouTube, plenty of good reviews on Google. Visit us anyhousecleaning.com.